Are you worried your little one isn't gaining enough weight? Is your baby always on the move, burning every single calorie? You are not alone. This is a super common concern for parents of 1-year-olds. We get it. I'm here to help. Today, we will share simple, calorie-dense, and nutritious food for a 1-year-old baby. These are easy-to-make, Indian-friendly recipes. They are perfect for healthy baby weight gain. We focus on good fats and protein. Let's start building that healthy foundation. Let's talk about breakfast. First, the classic, the Raji porridge. Add a spoonful of ghee to it. Ghee is essential for healthy weight gain. You can also mash a ripe banana into the porridge. This adds natural sweetness and extra calories. This is a powerful baby food for 1-year-old breakfast. For lunch, try a soft khichdi or dal rice. Remember the fat. Stir in a tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil, or use a generous amount of fresh homemade malai, or paneer. Paneer is a protein powerhouse. Cut it into small pieces for easy finger food for 1-year-old baby. This ensures your baby gets both protein and energy. Mid-morning or evening snacks are crucial. Think calorie-rich options. Try avocado mash. It's full of healthy fats. Another great option is a handful of crushed nuts and seeds. Soak and blend almonds and walnuts into a paste. Mix this paste into your baby's yogurt or milk. These are vital ingredients in your baby food for 1-year-old full-day meal plan. Let's end the day strong with dinner. Baby dinner food recipes for 1-year-old should be comforting. Try a sweet potato and lentil mash. Sweet potato is easy to digest and full of energy. You can also make a small, soft adachila. Cook it in butter instead of oil. Spread a little homemade hummus on it. This provides essential nutrients and makes a fantastic finger food. Simple and effective food recipes for 1-year-old baby. Remember these simple tips. 1. Always add healthy fat. Ghee, butter, coconut oil. 2. Offer small, frequent meals. 3. Consistency is key. Don't force your baby to eat. Trust your gut and talk to your pediatrician if you're very concerned. Every baby grows at their own pace. You are doing an amazing job. Use these simple recipes and see the difference. Do you have a favorite weight gain recipe? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on baby food for 1-year-old. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.